I also have results for Kilat North constituency for Member of Parliament. I, Dega Walter, being the NRM Election Commission Returning Officer for NRM primaries, for question of Member of Parliament, Kilat North constituency, to declare results as follows. Akol Anthony got 6,047 votes. Akol Kenneth got 5,601 votes. Ojara Christopher got 2,047 votes. Total votes poll was 13,695. I therefore do declare Akol Anthony, who has polled the highest number of votes, 6,047, the highest number of votes, representing 44.15%, as the duly NRM flag bearer. As duly elected NRM flag bearer for Kilat North constituency, signed by Walter Gedega.
You walk properly.
And I just got it.
NRM oye. President Museveni oye. Winning team, winning party oye. Thank you very